if you've got the craft pack, you'll have some green paper, some blue paper to make your bird, some feathers, pine cones, and a ribbon. If you're making yours at home, you should have a cardboard ring that you should cut out. You can put a hole in it afterwards. I put one here just for reference for myself. All you need is some paper. I had some white paper, and what I started off with was creating the hands part of my wreath. So I've coloured in some of my white paper. I'll show you how to do that. I've just done there. And I'll show you how I coloured that in. I just used lots of different stripes and colours. You'll have to do it on each individual paper. It looks a little bit like fronds, so that's why I've done it like this. So you can see one of them and do another one here. I'm using thick crayon just so it's very quick. It was quite nice for them to do, quite therapeutic. And use one bit of piece of paper. I might use some blue. I'll use 2 pencils just for speed. So I should get 3 hands out of this. I've got a few others set aside. And I'm going to put my hand on here and draw around it. These hands I'll place in a clockwise or anti-clockwise manner all around my cardboard wreath. So I'll cut this out. You'll have smaller hands than mine, so it might not cover up the whole page. You might get more than I have. Could be a bit more frugal with the paper. The important thing is when you lay these down, they need to be all in the same direction. So I'll make the thumb face out or inwards, whichever way I desire, and it will make the wreath look a little bit neater. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Now look, I've got some of my papers. 1 here, 2, 3, and I've made some a little bit earlier on. So what I'll do is I'd use some glue on the wreath and I'd place them all around. Let me put this one on here. White. You can put more on there or less, but as long as you've got it in a spiral kind of fashion, it kind of looks like the fronds of a fir bird. Then I'll make some dots. Cut out some circles. And I'll colour these in to make the berries. I have one ready here. Might just put 2 berries on there, and then you can make a bird. I've made it out of this colouring here, because that's the colour of a bird I've got. I can show you how to make it. Those of you who have a craft kit, you'll have 2 coloured bits of paper like this. I'm going to choose one of them to draw, so I can show you how to draw one of those. Doesn't need to be this big. I'm going to halve it because I don't really need it this big. A5 is plenty. I'll make the other side the wing. So I'm going to draw a smile. Make a oval. And this probably looks very odd to you. Just highlight its belly a bit more. Okay, so I'll cut that out. Bet that looks odd. Is there anything there? I can make a wing part with this one. So I'll just use darker coloured paper against this one. It might look quite nice to make the wing. I'll cut this out. I'll use this for the bird here. If you're lucky enough, you might have some feathers in your kit, but if not, I'm going to show you how to make a little tail feather here. So I've just, an easy way of doing it is I'm going to draw around my fingers on the page. I'm just going to make one tail feather. I'll show you how it will look. That's like the middle part of the feather. I'm going to cut along from the outer edges inwards. It's like a funny elliptical kind of shape. You can make one or two. Even add, I've got a dried orange, but you can also add pine cones. You'll have pipe cleaners, and you can see I've just wrapped it round into the scales of the pine cone, and I would make a hole in the wreath and add it on there. So I think maybe you'll have two. I'm just going to put that. I've got like a little dried piece of orange here. I might use that, I might not use that. And then just make a hole at the top and then hang it. The best bit is making some confetti. So, which is like this. And using the tissue to cut that up. I was just using a kitchen paper tissue, and I'm just going to cut it into little tiny pieces into here. If it's easier, roll your item in the confetti. Use tin foil too. Silver might look quite nice on there. Add your glue to your items and then sprinkle it liberally with your confetti to make it look like snow. Like that. perhaps add it to your wings. Add it here. Up on this. Okay, that's it. And bows, anything you want to, you can hang it up or you can leave it plain. Okay, that's it. Thank you.